Wow, wow, look at that. Oh, rat. Can you see them? Come, let's go over there.
Hey people, check this out. Look at these big rats. Look at them. Look at that big one. The yard is full of rats. I went over there, the neighbor's yard, and I placed some rat poison over there. Huh? But I think I need more rat poison, man. Look at the rats, them. They are huge. Look at this one right there. Oh man.
Oh, what's that? Oh, just a cover. Where are the rats? Come, move the camera up. Up. Yes. Up, up, up. Yes, yes. Look. Oh, in the corner over there. Oh. Oh, there's more. Wow. Big rat. Can't see anymore. Hey, wait, see one there.
Creepy. Look at the rats. Man, hundreds of rats. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Baby rat, big rat, rat big like puss, like cat. And they're just running around the place and just, man, I need to go set more rat trap, more poison.